Hello guys, we are continuing with our tutorial on the Microsoft Office packages, and we are under the Word application program. And remember last time we were working on the document on a new document. We are learning Microsoft Office Word. And remember the last time we used a password to set the document. If you followed the video, you understood how we set a password for that document. So automatically when I want to open that document, or when I share that document with another person, and when they open they open the document, then definitely it will demand for a password. So as you are going to see here, this is the document that we were working on. We are learning Microsoft Office. So once I open it, definitely it needs to demand a password from me. So as you can see, it calls for a password. We are learning Microsoft Office Word. So I have to input a password to access the document for editing or doing any other thing. So if you followed our last video, you'll understand how we used a password to create that document. To protect that document. That is, remember, we used an easy password just for the sake of learning, but we said once you're working with the sensitive documents and you need more security, you should use passwords that are more stable and secure and strong, that is. So I'm going to input the password. That was our easy password. Once I click OK, then I'll definitely have access to the document. And we said that in this video, we're going to learn more about the home section in the toolbar. The home section is a collection of many features. And once I click the home section, you can see, once I click the home section, you can see most features under it. And this home section is actually divided into 5 areas. It's divided into 5 areas, and these areas include the clipboard area, the font area, the paragraph area, and the styles area, as well as the editing area. We understand that each area works with actually performs a specific role, and the clipboard section works with most of the things that you are copying, and what the easiest things, the fastest things that you need to do. For example, you have copied content and you want to paste it elsewhere. You have cut content and you want to paste it elsewhere. You want to copy the formatting of one area to the formatting of another area, then definitely you will use the clipboard section. Then we have the font section. That section deals with the managing fonts, that is adjusting fonts, bolding and all that, choosing a specific font type, among others. Then we have the paragraph section. That's the section that deals with the editing and formatting of paragraphs. If you want to edit your paragraph, if you want to edit the content within your paragraph, then automatically you will have to access features provided under the paragraph subsection. Then we have the styles. That one allows you to style your document to a given format. Of course, every document needs to have a specific styling. So if you want to follow a given structure or styling in a given document, then you have to work with the styles section. Then the last part, which is the editing section, allows you to edit content within your document. We will look more into that, but for now we are going to look at clipboard, font. Yeah, we are going to look at clipboard and font. Then we'll look at paragraph as well as styling in the other areas. So this clipboard section allows you to copy, cut, paste, and format paint content. So we are going to look at how the features operate, and if you want to cut content, then definitely you need to highlight it first, or you need to have it highlighted or selected. So to cut content, you have to select it. To copy content, you have to select it. So most of these options need selection at first. So you need to select them to do a that given operation under the clipboard section. So once I highlight my text, we are learning Microsoft Word, then automatically you can see the cut and copy, paint, and paste options become enabled. Initially they were disabled, because when I deselect, then automatically they become disabled. But to use them, you first need to select the content you want to use. So I can select the content, then this one cuts the content. It allows you to cut the content and paste it on the page. So you can use the paste option. So there are different paste options. You have the one that keeps source formatting. You have paste option that merges the formatting of the document. Then we have the one that actually tries to keep the text only. So we are going to use the one that keeps source formatting, and we are going to paste it there. That is all about cutting and pasting. It's crucial to understand that cutting and pasting shortcuts are available. You can use a combination of Control and X to cut your content. That is Control and X, it cuts your content, and you can paste it anywhere else using the shortcut Control and V. So Control and C serves the Control and X serves the cutting command, and Control and V serves the pasting role. So that's all about cutting and pasting. And copying also needs you to select the content. You can select copy. It allows you to copy content elsewhere. So you can copy content elsewhere as you would want. So we're not going to work with that, so I'll go delete them. And it's also essential to remember that the critical shortcut to allow you to copy content is a combination of characters Control and C. So you have to highlight or select the content first and press a combination of Control and C. Control and C allows you to copy the content, and remember very well you said paste is Control and V. It allows you to paste content elsewhere on the page of the Word document. That's all about cutting, copying, and pasting under the clipboard section. And we have remained with Format Painter. Format Painter allows you to copy the styling of a given section in the document. You copy the same styling to another area within the document. So if I love this kind of styling, let me do this. Let me copy this content here, then and paste it there using a different styling. Let me remove that styling. So if I want, let me call this first sentence 1, and call this sentence 2. So if I wanted to copy the formatting of content, the content 1 to have a similar formatting on content 2, then what I'll need is to select the content 1 first, then go ahead and click Format Painter. Once I click Format Painter, then I'll automatically click it on sentence 2 or content 2. And once I select on content 2, then it will automatically inherit the formatting of content 1. So what I'll do is select, because I already selected Format Painter, then I'll automatically select content 2 to have the formatting of content 1. So once I select, it automatically inherits the formatting of sentence 1. Let me create another sentence. We are learning about Format Painter, because I have because I want to have the formatting of sentence 1 similar to sentence 3, then definitely I'll have to select sentence 1. That is, I'll have to select sentence 1, go to Format Painter, and automatically click sentence 3, then it will automatically inherit the formatting given to sentence 1. And it's crucial to understand that there are shortcuts for the same. If you want to format paint easily, you first need to use a shortcut which is a combination of characters Control, Shift, and C. So you have to press Control, Shift, and C to first copy the formatting of sentence 1. Then if you want it to have similar formatting to sentence 3, then you will have to select sentence 3 and press Control, Shift, and V. The combination of the 3 keys will help you have similar formatting as the case with sentence 1. So we'll do away with that because we've learned about format painting. That's all with format painting and the clipboard section. So allow me to separate this video into 2, and we are going to dive straight into the font section and allow us to learn more in each and every feature within the section. So thank you, and let us head straight into the fonts subsection, which is on the Microsoft Office Word toolbar. Thank you for working with us, and let's keep learning. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.